Hello and welcome to this lovely property. Call or text us right now at 530-205-6760 for more info. The Yuba River runs through it. Over 319 acres of privacy and more than a half-mile of river frontage on both sides of the river. Cool home built in 2013 is over 3,400 square feet and includes a guest quarters above the large two-car garage. High-speed internet installed, also gets cell phone access. Modern kitchen with island, large great room with high ceilings, 1 bath and bedroom on the main level. 2 bedrooms, bath and great room upstairs. Studio unit with kitchen above garage. This part of the North Fork of the Yuba is a special trout fishing zone. 2 creeks on property and several springs, plus a few cool flat areas and special sites including an old gold mine near the top, suitable for helicopter landings. Backup propane-powered Generac system makes sure the power stays on. Very easy access off Highway 49 and plenty of parking near the house. Tasty spring water with purification system at the house. Could have cross-country access to the buttes. Adventures await you on the North Fork.